guys, welcome back to my online Chinese class. I'm your teacher, Miss Wang. Okay, so today Miss Wang gonna lead you guys to finish the lesson 10. Okay, the lesson 10. First, I still need you guys to look at your material. Okay, look at your material. Lesson 10. Okay, so last class we learned the text 1, right? We learned the text 1. I wish everybody already know to read the text 1, okay? If you forget what we are talking about the conversation in text 1, you can follow our YouTube channel, then keep learning it, okay? In the last online class video. So now I wish you guys can pay your attention on the part 2, the words part. First, there are some words we get the first one we call it bread. 面包 right. Still remember that when you guys learn to pronounce the Chinese verb and the Chinese words, the Chinese words, you should pay your attention on my lips, okay? On the shape of my lips. Then you will make sure you can pronounce the Chinese words exactly, okay? Exactly. So pay your attention on my lips, then try to make your best, okay? So the first one, we call it bread in Chinese. 面包 Great. The second one is a verb, okay? To seal. 卖 Great. Okay, the third one, this one is another measure word in Chinese, okay? Another measure word of the Chinese money, Do you remember the last video I teach you guys how to call the yuan, one of another measure word in for the Chinese money, right? Yuan, 快. So this one is another measure word of Chinese money, but it's smaller than 快. Compared to the US dollar, that will be the 快 or the yuan, just like dollar. And this 毛, just like compared to the US dollar, the US money, that will be like penny, okay? That will be like penny or a quarter. Okay, so in Chinese, we call the smaller than the 快, the measure word of the Chinese money, that will be 毛. Great. Okay, the fourth one, cola. 可乐. Pretty good. Okay, the number 5, bottle. 瓶. This one also can be the measure word of the water or cola, just like we learned before, okay? 瓶. Okay, milk. 牛奶. Okay, special sale. Special offer, like big sale. 特价. Good. The sack, the bag. 袋. Pretty good. Okay, the number 9. This. 这. Good. Okay, the last one. To give change. 找 change, to give change, you know, just like I give the money you last. 找 Okay, now we keep going to the extension. Water 水 Pretty good. Okay, to call juice in Chinese. 果汁 Good. Bila 啤酒 Beer 啤酒 Good. Wine 酒 Red wine 红酒 So now we just think the wine, we call the wine in Chinese will be 酒 So we call the red wine in Chinese, that is 红酒, correct? So just think about that. So how can we call the color red in Chinese? How can we call the color red in Chinese? 红, right? Because the wine is 酒 and red wine is 红酒, right? So we can know, we see the color, the red color in Chinese, that will be 红. This one 红, right? So how about we know there's a traditional wine in China, we call it white wine, right? White wine. So if I told you guys the white wine, forget it. Okay, so this is all the words in the part 2. Now we repeat it, okay? We review it. I wish you guys can follow me, okay? Bread 面包 To seal 卖 This is another measure word of the Chinese money, just smaller than the yuan, kuai, right? Mao, cola, 可乐 bottle, 瓶 good. Milk, 牛奶 Special offer, 特价 Sack, bag, 袋 This, 这 Good. To give change, 找 Water, 水 Juice, 果汁 Beer, 啤酒 Wine, 酒 Red wine, 红酒 Pretty good. Okay, so next video I will teach you guys to read the text too. So before that, you guys can learn to try to read the text too by yourself. Okay, then I think you can catch up very well. So see you guys next video. Bye bye. I wish you guys can having fun in learning Chinese language. Okay, see you. Bye.